Somebody in your town just searched Google Maps for the exact work you do. 3 companies came up. Yours was not one of them. And the company that took your spot probably does worse work than you. When a contractor is missing from the map, it is almost always one of 7 fixable problems. I am Sohail. I run SF Web Tech. 7 causes, most common first, each with an under a minute check and the exact fix. Fix 7 is the nasty one. A competitor can flip it on your listing on purpose. First, a 60-second test that tells you which half of the list you are in. Open Google Maps and search your exact business name plus your city. 4 things can happen. 1. Your listing shows up and looks normal. You exist, you just do not rank. Your problem is fix 2, 4, 5, or 6. 2. Your listing has a little link that says own this business. That is fix 1. 3. You see a red label that says permanently closed. That is fix 7, hang tight. 4. Nothing shows up at all, even on your own name. That is fix 1 or fix 3. Google ranks local businesses on 3 ingredients: how well you match the search, how close you are, and how well known you are. Google calls them relevance, distance, and prominence. One myth to kill right now. Google says there is no way to request or pay for a better local ranking. Ads and local services ads are separate slots. They do not move your map's rank. This is stuff you fix, not stuff you buy. Fix 1, the most common by far. Your profile was never claimed or never verified. The check. Look for that own this business link on your listing. Or sign in at google.com/business and look for a verify now banner. See either one, you found your problem. The fix. Claim the profile and verify it. For contractors who work out of a truck, the standard method is video verification. One continuous live video, no edits, at least 30 seconds. Show your branded truck, your tools, and proof you are really at your location. Google usually reviews it within 5 business days. Since November of 2024, a verified profile is required to run local services ads at all. Unverified also locks you out of the blue Google Verified badge. That is the badge that replaced the green Google Guaranteed one in October of 2025. Fix 2, the most common false alarm. You rank in a radius around your real location, not across your whole service area. The service area you draw inside your profile is a label. It does not change where you rank. That has been tested directly. The competitor who seems to be everywhere is usually just closer to the searcher. The check. Search your money keyword in Maps, something like deck builder. The results cluster around the blue dot. Now drag the map to a town 15 miles away and tap search this area. Watch the pack change. That is your real radius. The fix. You cannot draw a bigger circle. You widen it by winning relevance and prominence, and that is fixes 4 and 5. One warning. Never fake a location with a virtual office, a PO box, or an address nobody staffs. Google makes service area businesses without a real storefront hide their address. And a fake address is a fast track to fix 3. Fix 3. Your profile got suspended. A suspended profile disappears from public view completely. Even a search for your exact name finds nothing. The 3 triggers that catch contractors most. Keywords or city names stuffed into the business name field. A virtual office, PO box, or unstaffed address. And a pile of big edits made all at once. The check. Sign in and look for the suspension notice. The fix. Google has an official appeals tool, and you get 1 appeal. So make it count. Gather your evidence first. A business license, registration, tax certificate, or utility bill, matching the name and address on your profile exactly. Because once the evidence form opens, you have 60 minutes to submit. Prevention is simple. Exact legal name only. Real address on file. Slow, small edits. Fix 4. Wrong primary category and wrong hours. This check takes 10 seconds. Your primary category is printed right under your business name on your listing. Now search your money keyword and look at the 3 businesses in the pack. If they say deck builder or roofing contractor and yours says contractor, you found it. Generic loses to specific. The fix. Set your primary category to the most specific match for your highest value service. Add secondaries only for work you genuinely do. Google's advice is to pick what the business is and use as few categories as possible. And a bonus almost nobody knows. Being open at the moment somebody searches is a ranking factor. Businesses marked closed can drop out of the pack after hours. Set the hours your phone is actually answered. Just do not fake 24/7. Fix 5. You are losing on reviews. This is prominence, and it is where most contractors quietly lose. The check. Compare 3 numbers against the pack winners. Review count. average rating, and the date of your most recent review. That last one matters more than owners think. One study looked at over 8,000 businesses. Steady recent reviews beat big raw totals. One dominant business fell hard after just 18 days without a new review. Written reviews outrank star-only ratings, and higher average ratings line up with better rank. So here is the fix in one line. Ask every customer the day the job wraps with a text link. A steady drip, never a batch blast. Reply to every review, and never buy them. Bought reviews are a filter and a suspension risk. Fix 6. Duplicate listings. 2 profiles for one company, split your reviews and your signals, and Google may filter one or both out of the pack. Common causes. A move, an employee creating a second profile, or a data aggregator inventing one. The check. Search maps for your phone number, then your name variants and any old address. 2 pins for one company is the tell, the fix. Keep the verified profile with the reviews. Delete duplicates you own, which does not affect your main listing. Or request a merge through suggest and edit. Reviews combine in a merge, but replies to reviews may be lost. And when you move, update the existing profile. Never create a new one. And fix 7. The one I promised you. Somebody marked your business permanently closed. Any Google user can suggest an edit on your listing, including a competitor flagging you as closed. The check. Search your exact business name and look for the red permanently closed label. The fix. Sign in, hit edit profile, and mark the business open. Then find what fed Google that closed signal, because a stale duplicate or an old directory page can flip it right back. The long-term defense is simple. A profile you actively manage accepts public edits far less easily. Log in weekly. Now, why this matters more in 2026? The free map seats are shrinking. Google is rolling out AI-powered local packs on mobile in the United States that often show 1 or 2 businesses instead of 3. One analysis found AI packs surface about a third as many businesses as the old 3 packs. AI overviews showed on roughly 68% of local searches in early 2025, and ads keep taking more of the page. Local pack ads grew from about 1% of tracked queries to about 22%. Local services ads presence grew from 11 to 31%. Fewer free seats. Same 7 fixes to claim 1. So here is the checklist in one breath. Verified profile. Real location, no fakes. No suspension triggers. Right category, honest hours. A steady drip of reviews, no duplicates, and not marked closed. And a verified profile is the doorway to local services ads and the blue verified badge. This work pays twice. If you would rather not spend your weekends fixing Google listings, that is literally what we do. At SF Web Tech, we handle your Maps profile, your ads, and your website inside one guarantee. 30 to 50 booked appointments on your calendar in the next 90 days. And if we fall short, we keep working for free until you get them. Go to sfwebtech.com and book a call. Want the week-by-week system? That video is on your screen right now. And if this checklist helped, subscribe. Every video here turns Google into booked jobs.